Refreshing that old dresser or antique chair is an easy DIY project once you understand the basics of furniture refinishing. Here's what you'll need. First, inspect the piece of furniture. If there are any repairs to be made or connections to tighten, now is the time to do it. Then, wipe the piece down and remove any dust particles left behind. Next, start removing the old finish using coarse grit sandpaper. Roll the paper to get into nooks and crannies. Once the finish is smooth and most of the old paint or varnish is gone, switch to a medium grit paper to remove the last few patches. Move to a fine grit paper to get the surface completely smooth. Then, wipe clean and use a tack cloth to remove any fine dust particles left behind. Next, you'll want to apply a primer to help hide stains and increase paint adhesion. We have selected a Paint Plus primer for this project. Apply one coat using a high-quality brush or roller, then allow it to dry fully before adding a second coat. Finally, apply a high-quality wood finish to help keep your furniture looking its best for years to come. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.